왕과 귀족이라는 지배층이 존재하고 태어남과 동시에 신분이 결정되는 제정 러시아 후기.
Who's coming to see Grandmama?
Come along, my little ducklings.
무려 5명이나 되는 다복한 가정을 꾸린 오브론스키 가족은 나들이 준비로 여념이 없었고
Read the chapter carefully. I come back to test you and read it twice.
아내 돌리가 자리를 비운 사이 남편 스티반은 가정교사와의 몹쓸 짓을 저지르고 있었는데요. 문제는 그 꼬리가 너무 긴 나머지 얼마 지나지 않아 아내에게 들켜버렸다는 사실.
And Dolly found a note from the governess.
Well,
Well, Stephen wants me to come to Moscow to persuade Dolly to forgive him.
to be deprived of my wife so that adultery may be forgiven.
Oh, it's for Dolly's sake, too.
4 committees today.
Do you think 9 years of marriage and children should count for nothing against an infatuation?
No, but sin has a price. You may be sure of that.
She's not well. I must go to see her.
But why, Mama?
그렇게 두 눈에 넣어도 아프지 않을 세료자를 뒤로하고 모스크바행 열차에 몸을 실을 수밖에 없었죠.
It's the first time I've left my little boy.
You're leaving your son and I'm returning to mine. I'm Countess Vronskaya. My eldest son married Princess Cherkov. You're a charming creature. Why don't I know you?
I've never been in Moscow society, really.
Do you know my name? Love. My sons are ashamed of me, but I'd rather end wishing I hadn't than end up wishing I had.
I don't know.
마치 자신의 외도를 훈장처럼 여기는 어이없는 태도에 나도 모르게 실수가 터져나왔고
Man came without an appointment, Your Excellency, waiting outside. I need your advice.
같은 시간 스티반은 절친 콘스탄틴의 방문을 받게 되는데요.
Something's up.
I'm in love. I've come back to propose. Kitty is of the heavens, an angel, and I am of the earth. Then I thought, and there's no life for me without her. Do I have a chance?
Of course you do.
둘도 없는 절친이 내 처제에게 홀딱 반해버렸다는 이야기였지만 문제는 사교계와는 담을 쌓은 지방의 대지주라는 점, 촌티나는 스타일을 싹 갈아엎을 필요가 있었죠.
So unfair. You marry for love, you're a good husband, and all of a sudden your wife grows old and tired. And you yourself, you still have your... Find yourself a martyr to distraction.
As though I should leave this restaurant and a roll from a bakery.
Freshly baked. Now, do you know Count Bronze?
Why?
He's your rival. He turned out from Petersburg. Rich.
막대한 부와 빛나는 외모까지 지닌 사교계의 반칙 같은 캐릭터가 내 경쟁 상대가 되었다는 이야기. 나도 모르게 한숨이 터져나오기 시작하던 그때
Constantine!
마치 하늘에서 막 내려온 것 같은 운명의 여인 키티와의 만남을 가질 수 있었죠.
I'm so pleased you're able to be with. How long are you staying?
I don't know. Depends on you.
On me?
What I mean to say, I only came with one purpose. Will you be my wife?
I can't. I'm sorry.
It was impossible.
Sorry.
Princess Kitty.
소문으로만 접했던 브론스키의 등장, 오히려 조금의 미련도 남기지 않은 채 고향으로의 걸음을 옮길 수 있는 우픈 상황이 되어버렸고
I'll come back. Steva!
Anna!
Don't look ashamed.
Oh, I am.
Charmant, don't you think?
There, Countess.
Excuse me for not recognizing you before.
Au revoir, Countess. Au revoir.
안나와 브론스키의 운명적인 첫 만남이었지만 노골적인 시선이 불편하다는 듯 안나는 빠른 손절을 하게 되는데요.
Well, can't anything be done for them?
Wait for me, Mama.
열차 정비원의 황망한 죽음에 선뜻 거금을 내어놓는 전혀 예상치 못한 모습. 안나의 머릿속이 복잡해지기 시작하죠.
Dolly, Steve has told me.
I don't know what to do. And he doesn't care. He's got what he wants.
What he wants is you. You and the children are everything to him.
Are we? And there is room for a governess.
Disgraceful, but it was not love. It was the animal in man, not the soul. Steve's remorse is from the soul.
Does his remorse make it easier for me?
여자의 마음은 그래도 여자가 이해한다고 돌리를 대신해 오빠에 대한 뒷담화와 포장을 늘어놓기 시작. 그렇게 엉켜버린 돌리의 마음을 조금이나마 누그러뜨릴 수 있었는데요.
Will you stay for the barber chef's ball? I always feel dull at a ball.
Tell Anna she must come.
Well, of course you must.
I know why you want me to come. Because you're quite sure it's going to be your night. I know everything. Oh, to be your age again.
그런데 그날 저녁
Is the prince at home?
I don't think so.
태어나 단 한 번도 느껴보지 못했던 감정들이 일렁이기 시작. 그리고 정신을 차리고 보니 어느새 무도회장에 닿아 있었죠.
How are you, Steve?
Thanks to Anna, I am happy.
No, I don't. Come on then.
Oh, look out.
Is anything the matter?
No.
잡은 물고기에는 굳이 밥을 주지 않는다는 불변의 진리.
Don't ask me.
이날의 주인공이 될 수 있을 거라는 기대가 산산이 부서져 버렸고
Dance with me.
That by a man I met once at a railway station.
I dare say, but if I'm not to dance, then I'm getting out of this operetta and going home.
Then for Kitty's sake.
얼마 지나지 않아 단번에 모든 이들의 시선을 빨아들일 수 있었는데요. 문제는 안나가 사돈 처녀의 혼삭기를 맡고 있다는 듯 경멸의 눈초리였다는 사실. 결국 집으로 돌아가는 열차에 몸을 실을 수밖에 없던 그때
Can I be of service?
Why are you leaving Moscow?
What else can I do? I have to be where you are.
Stop, that's enough. Go back to Kitty. This is wrong. You must forget me.
And you? Will you forget?
Yes.
Is the rouge all right?
Oh, is that all I get? Were you a success?
Yes, I think so.
쉽사리 끊어낼 수 없는 운명의 장난이 시작됐음을 직감할 수 있었고
Princess Betsy.
I didn't know you were an art lover.
어떻게든 안나의 마음을 얻겠다는 듯 노골적이지만 쉽사리 드러나지 않는 애정 공세를 퍼붓고 있었는데요.
You're cool.
I'm afraid I'm becoming quite ridiculous.
Anna's shadow has arrived before.
In my opinion, Karenin is a fool, and Anna is the best of us.
Alexei, you look desperate. Persuading a virtuous woman to break her marriage vows.
No, you're right.
문제는 어찌나 공격적인지 러시아 사교계에는 이미 소문이 파다하게 퍼져 있었다는 점. 남편 카레닌이 눈치채는 건 시간 문제에 지나지 않았고
This must stop. You made me feel as if I were guilty of
If you
something.
have any thought for me, you will give me back my peace.
There can be no peace for us. Only misery, greatest happiness.
Your husband isn't possible. Talks so brilliantly, he wins every argument.
I called to take you home.
No, I'm staying. Send the carriage back for me.
Of course.
다행히 눈치라고는 일도 없는 무심함 덕에 위기를 넘길 수 있었는데요.
Do you want me to go to Tashkent?
I don't want you to go.
그동안 높게 쌓아왔던 마음의 빗장을 열어젖히게 되죠.
I stayed up to talk to you.
What about? It's late. If you want to talk, but we should go to bed.
I must warn you about something. By indiscretion and carelessness, give the world occasion to talk about.
Please say what you want to tell me.
You and Count Vronsky attracted attention tonight. I didn't notice anything, but I saw everyone else notice. I consider jealousy to be insulting to you, degrading to me. It's my duty to remind you that we are bound together by God, can only be broken by a cry. God.
I have nothing to say to you. And I'm tired.
If I am wrong, I ask your pardon.
I don't know what you're talking about, and it's really too late. Excuse me, please.
눈치라고는 일도 없는 줄 알았는데 사실은 숱한 연문을 부리고 있었다는 걸 남편이 이미 알고 있었다는 이야기였지만 그렇다고 이미 돌아서버린 마음을 되돌릴 순 없었고
Got nothing left now except you, remember?
Remember my happiness.
You murdered my happiness. Murderer. Go on.
Look out, here they come. Oh, bad luck.
How are the Shabatskys?
I mean, Kitty.
Is she engaged now?
Bronx coming back from Petersburg. Kitty will be seeing Dolly at Yugoslavia in the summer. You could very easily.
Oh, yes, as if I had time in the summer. I've got extra land at Cashin this year.
Oh, damn you, Kostya! You love Kitty! You funked it, and then you bungled it, and then you ran away from an 18-year-old girl who was made a fool of by a uniform. You, I feel sorry for. It's Kitty.
Did you come to criticize me?
I don't care about it.
You should care. Anyway, someone might be watching.
You love me. Only me.
No.
Apart from Frou-Frou.
Yes.
But me more than your horse.
주변의 시선 따위는 아랑곳하지 않겠다는 듯 둘만의 사랑을 키워가고 있었는데요. 문제는 이들의 그릇된 사랑을 탐탁지 못해하는 이가 적지 않았다는 거죠.
Countess.
I'm distressed taking your usual house.
Anna wanted a change.
Nearer to Princess Betcharkoy Salor. The guard in summer camp at Charkoy. You are too tolerant. Your wife
Oh,
is...
is this about my wife? My wife is beyond reproach. She is, after all, my wife.
Alexei, we're brothers, so don't take offense. Getting married puts the pack on your back. It leaves your hands free for climbing the ladder. Getting serious about a married woman carrying your pack in your arms.
So they talk about. I'm leaving, Sasha.
주변인들과 형의 우려 섞인 조언에도 귀를 막아버린 채 세상이 허락하지 않는 사랑이라는 도파민과 쾌락만을 쫓고 있었는데요.
Anna.
Alexei.
Couldn't bear not to see you before the race. What were you thinking about?
그런데
Tell me.
I'm pregnant.
I love Tokarin and everything.
You think my husband will make you a present of me?
Leave him.
Leave him and be your mistress.
Yes.
I would never see my son again. The laws are made by husbands and fathers.
What then? I'll never forgive myself for your unhappiness.
Unhappiness. A starving beggar who's been given food. This is my happiness.
그 시작은 단순히 안나를 품고 싶다는 정보극에 가까웠지만 이러한 감정은 어느새 사랑이 되고 영원한 삶의 반려자가 되고 싶다는 감정으로 발전하게 되지만 문제는 안나에게 있어 이혼이라는 제도는 완전히 사회적으로 매장당하는 결정타인데다가 더 이상 세로자를 마주할 수 없다는 족쇄 그 자체였던 것. 브론스키의 마음은 10분 이해하지만 외도라는 관계를 유지할 수밖에 없었고
Princess, who do you fancy in the next?
Kiselov.
I'm on Vronsky.
Done.
결승선을 가장 먼저 닿기 위한 치열한 경쟁이 이어지던 그때
I'm here.
I'm here.
Her back is broken.
이 무슨 운명의 장난인 걸까? 두 사람 모두 알렉세이라는 이름을 가지고 있었죠.
You know, they say the Emperor disapproves of the races, the danger of injury. I'm saying I think there's a value in manly sport.
I don't understand.
In my opinion, it's not the sport itself, the spectacle.
What are you talking about?
I have to tell you,
Yes.
you behaved improperly today. By making plain your feeling when one of the riders fell. You will say my concern is unnecessary and you are my wife. Perhaps I was mistaken.
No, you are not mistaken. I love him. I am his mistress.
I will not have a scandal. You will not see this man again. You will keep the privileges of a wife.
Are you hurt?
What's happened?
I told him I'm your mistress. I can give you up and go on living.
No, you cannot.
장관의 아내라는 부와 명성을 모두 내려놓을 준비를 마쳤다는 듯 남편과의 잠자리를 거부.
Alexei, I can't.
But I'm his wife now. I'm having his child.
돌아올 수 없는 강을 건너버렸다는 사실을 고백하게 되죠.
Tell me what I did to deserve this. 한편 속세와의 담을 높게 쌓아올린 채 365일 농사에만 전념하던 콘스탄틴은 좀처럼 채워지지 않는 갈증에 시달리고 있음을 직감, 아직 키티라는 존재를 완벽하게 지워내지 못했음을 깨닫게 되고
No, we'll not live like this. Waiting for hour after hour.
You wrote that you were ill. Your note said your husband would be out.
He was late. And you? Why do you call him my husband? He's a
But it was awkward. My honor. Your demon again.
I'll be glad to die before you start to hate me.
Anna.
아들과 브론스키 둘 다 포기할 수 없다는 지나친 욕심은 몸과 마음이 완벽하게 분리되지 못하는 정서적 난민 상태가 되어버렸던 것. 자연스레 카레닌의 인내심도 한계를 드러내고 있었는데요.
I will not return house until divorce has driven you. My son will be sent to live with my eldest sister.
No, Alexei, please leave me, Seryozha.
Think I would let you have my son, a woman without honor.
I need your advice.
Come on.
Yes.
Are we late?
Of course you're late.
Oh.
Come on. Kitty is here.
A long time since we saw each other.
You're just the same.
I hope not.
I was young and silly in those days.
Months and months ago.
And you haven't changed.
지난날의 미숙함을 뒤로하고 마침내 새로운 역사가 쓰여지나 싶던 그때
I've come to tell you our connection must be severed. I'm going to divorce your sister.
Divorce? Oh, dear me. What are you talking about?
Okay, everything is over between us.
Alexei, dinner is quite another.
키티와 콘스탄틴의 재회라는 뜨거운 이슈를 잠재우는 안나의 이혼이라는 전혀 예상치 못한 뉴스, 모두가 즐거워야 할 저녁 식사 자리는 어느덧 초상집이 되어 있었죠.
She will be nobody's wife. She'll be ruined.
I tried to save her. She chose ruin.
Alexei Alexandrovich, look at me. You will have no peace of mind till you forgive her.
I do not wish to forgive. I'm not a cruel man. I've never hated anyone. But I hate her with all my soul for all the wrong she has done me.
Since we last met, there is something I have often wanted to ask you.
What is that? Do not. Did not. The last word is never.
I know what it says. But now,
한결같이 나만을 바라보는 콘스탄틴 대신 브론스키라는 화려함에 잠시 정신이 팔렸었지만 결국 진심은 통한다는 불변의 진리, 마침내 사랑이라는 결실을 맺게 되고 한편 형님의 만류로 잠시나마 이혼에 대한 확고한 마음을 접어둘 수 있었지만 문제는 그 사이 아내가 출산을 해버렸다는 사실.
Alexei? Alexei? Look at my husband. He's a saint. Take his hand. Thank God.
상간남 브론스키와 한 지붕 아래에서 머물게 되는 우픈 상황이 되어 있었죠.
You must leave now. I promise to send for you if she asks for you. I don't know what happened to me. I forgive you. I forgive Anna. My soul is filled with joy. I will remain with her and look after her forever. Come now. Come now.
You look like what you've become, a laughing. I fancy you will be asked to leave the regiment. A little affair with a married wishing touch to a young man.
I would like you to go, Mama.
So you'd better come back to Moscow with me.
영원한 사랑이라 믿었던 안나의 멘탈이 무너지는 걸 지켜볼 수밖에 없는 입장과 그에 따라 조금씩 흔들리기 시작한 사회적인 입지, 결국 어머니의 뜻을 따라 모스크바행을 결심하게 되지만
But I better tell you some regimental news.
I don't want to see him.
I'm so glad to see, so I'm going.
Princess Betsy came to tell that Vronsky asked to come to say goodbye. He's going away. I don't want to hide anything from you. I've told him that I can't receive him.
지금이라도 모든 걸 원래의 자리로 돌려놓을 수 있는 마지막 찬스라는 걸 너무나도 잘 아는 해방꾼 배치의 등장. 그나마 간신히 억눌러 오던 감정들이 다시금 일렁이기 시작하죠.
I agree with you. There's no need for Count Vronsky to come.
I just said so, that we agree, so perhaps we can stop talking about it.
Is there anything I can do for you?
Yes, can you stop cracking your knuckles? I'm a bad woman, but I can't breathe. Kindness which I can't repay.
You begged me for my forgiveness.
But I didn't die.
What do you want? To see Count Vronsky?
Not to say goodbye.
We're lost, irretrievably lost. And worse, if we divorce, you would be the guilty. That means you cannot legally remarry your daughter, who now has the protection of mine. It would be a sin to help you destroy yourself.
You forget something. Count Vronsky and I love each other.
This love sanctifies a criminal. Mother Sirosha.
I would die for him. I won't live like this for him. When he knows of love, he will forgive me.
세로자의 엄마라는 자리를 지킨다면 평생 부와 명예를 누리고 살 수 있지만 그건 살아도 사는 게 아니다라는 판단이었을까. 처음으로 아들을 포기하는 선택을 하게 되고
You look so pale. Go south to the sea air and sunshine.
결국 브론스키 또한 모스크바행을 포기하며 사랑이라는 도박에 인생 전부를 거는 선택을 하게 되지만 문제는 여행이 가져다주는 쾌락은 지나칠 정도로 찰나에 지나지 않았다는 점.
Alexei, they're back. She has written to me.
I think I don't have the right to refuse. It's the boy's birthday.
Blowing on the embers of a fire. Let me write to her.
여행의 흥분이 가라앉은 자리에는 이내 곧 혈육의 정이라는 지독한 갈증이 자라나기 시작했고
I'm here to see Seryozha.
너희들이 무슨 수를 쓰더라도 모자 관계를 끊어낼 수 없다는 듯 수개월 만에 아들과의 재회를 할 수 있었는데요.
Seryozha, my dear. I knew you would come.
I thought about you every day.
And I thought about you every day.
And you must love Papa. He's better than
No
I am.
one in the whole world is better than you.
문제는 카레닌의 눈빛에서 아들을 포기한 엄마라는 메시지를 읽을 수 있었다는 점. 더 이상 이곳에 머물 이유와 명분을 찾을 수 없었죠.
Where's Anya?
She's still asleep. Are you feeling unwell, madam?
I'm not sleeping.
I can send out for something.
Yes.
Why are you in the dark?
What's the matter?
I didn't know what happened to you.
Well, I told you yesterday, my brother.
Does he need you more than I do?
What's happened? Well, Alexander agreed to everything. Mother's house in Moscow will go to him. Country estate will be our new home. As soon as they divorce, Karenin hasn't answered your letter yet.
You're the very first person to call on me since our return.
Madame, your box is number 4. Will you come, Vronsky? Well,
I see why Alexei is so fond of you.
You can't go to the theatre.
Anushka, I'll come in and choose a dress.
Anna, I implore.
Are you ashamed for me?
Why do you have a room at the hotel? Aren't we together?
들키지만 않는다면 수천 번의 외도는 용납되지만 절대로 가정을 깨뜨려서는 안 된다는 사교계의 불문율.
Minister, congratulations. Come in for a moment.
이러한 암묵적인 룰을 내팽개친 안나를 향한 싸늘한 시선으로 극장 안에는 설명할 수 없는 긴장감이 돌기 시작했고
Princess Sorokina, quite well off. No son. She's a widow. My dear, I'm a sales catalogue.
일순간 안나를 투명인간으로 만들어버리는 사교계의 민낯, 불편하다는 감정조차 쉽사리 드러낼 수 없던 그때
Who has made the decor? Haven't we got a program? Colonel, would you be so kind?
Of course. Please, I would be honored if you would take mine.
Thank you.
It's a disgrace.
hush, dear. A common courtesy.
Everyone's looking.
Let them look. Fetch my cloak. What are we coming to? It's an insult to decency. I'll have a word or two for some people one didn't expect to feel like us in society.
Yes, why don't you rescue her and put your seal on the fiasco? Alexei, see why she must divorce. Marriage will solve everything. When will it be?
As far as I'm concerned, she's my wife.
As you saw. She is.
We're going to Moscow, then to my place in the country. For a day or two, Anna will be at home. I'll say goodbye now.
문제는 이러한 지고지순한 수뇌부가 무색해질 만큼 사건의 불똥이 전혀 엄한 곳으로 튀고 있었다는 거죠.
Well, you had an excellent night. Does your mother want you to marry the widow or the child?
Either one.
Well, don't joke about it. Love me, you would have locked me in to stop me going.
Yes, it was my fault.
I won't sleep.
I know how to make you sleep.
결국 술과 약물 없이는 단 하루도 마음 편히 잠들 수 없는 지경이 되어버렸고
I had an inspiration. Why can't we wait in the country?
Good. I'm bored here. When should we go?
If I bore you here, I'll bore you in the country.
Anna.
No, you've stopped loving me. So this is over. Finished.
그래서인지 분단위로 감정이 뒤바뀌는 조울 증상이 안나의 영혼을 갉아먹고 있었는데요.
You should leave me.
I don't want to. I love you.
Why?
Can't ask why. About love.
그로부터 며칠이 흘러버린 끝에
Will you be all packed?
I thought your way of telling me you'll be at your mother's with that simpering little princess.
No.
Well, I know what that means.
This is unendurable. I didn't show you because Stevie keeps telegraphing.
Don't tell her about the divorce, so why hide the telegram?
안나의 운명을 송두리째 뒤흔들어버릴 결정적인 장면을 목격하게 되죠.
So it's the child.
She brought papers from her mom. Anna.
남편으로부터 이혼 승낙서를 얻기 위해서는 브론스키 모친의 영향력이 절대적인 건 사실이지만 하필이면 메시지의 전령이 사교계의 혜성처럼 떠오르고 있는 소로키나였다는 점. 더 이상 브론스키와 함께하지 못할 거라는 망상들이 안나의 멘탈을 뒤흔들기 시작했고 결국 맹렬히 질주하는 열차에 몸을 던지는 극단적 선택을 하게 되는데요. 안나와 브론스키 그리고 카레닌까지 분자 단위로 그들의 감정을 쪼개 독자들에게 보여주고 불륜이라는 주제를 통해 법률, 종교, 정치 등 사회 시스템이 어떻게 한 인간을 파멸시킬 수 있는지에 대한 신랄한 비판, 그리고 마지막으로 안나와 콘스탄틴이라는 서로 다른 캐릭터를 배치함으로써 육체적 사랑과 정신적 사랑을 극명하게 대비시킨 작품, 수많은 거장들과 대중들로부터 최고의 소설이라는 칭송을 받을 수 있었는데요. 이렇듯 완벽한 뼈대에 미장센의 끝판왕이라 불리는 조 라이트 감독의 미적 감각이 더해져 더욱 초연하고 감각적으로 재탄생한 작품. 여러분들은 어떠셨나요?